Hello. We have got this baby today. This baby. This. You can see it. It's Danby designer microwave. I don't know what's going on. I just got this from another technician and he told me just look at it. And I'll look at it and see what the problem is. Plug it in. No light. Nothing. Inside. And it looks like they're also missing a turntable and I don't know what you call it. It's like a I think it's the coupler. Yes. That's the turntable motor, this one, and this is the coupler on top of it. So this microwave is missing one of these. Maybe it's yeah, it fits. But the main problem is there's no power. I have to check it. Phillips. There's only 4 screws holding the panel. I think there's supposed to be more screws. There's supposed to be 1 screw here, 1 on the side. I got 5 screws from this. It's supposed to have 6. So someone has a stolen 1 screw. These are the screws. I'll just leave it here. The panel, small shiny panel. And look at the light. First of all, I can see that there is a fuse missing. 250 volt, 15 amps fuse. I will show you guys. The fuse is missing. Of course, it's not gonna get on if the fuse is missing. So here, the fuse is supposed to just go there. That's the noise filter. It's supposed to have a fuse. And this light was just sitting like this. Okay, because I'm not sure what the problem is in this microwave and why the fuse is missing, and instead of using a fuse there, I'm going to use a reset, something like reset fuse or reset switch. I have made one of these. These reset switches are usually on top of the stove, but I just take it off. I can use it as a fuse. It's unplugged. Actually, I guess show you guys how to connect this. And instead of blowing your fuse again and again, if there's a bad door lock or something. Okay, I have made this. That's gonna stay here. And actually I didn't discharge the capacitor, which I'm going to do it now. I was supposed to do it before I start working on the microwave. I don't know where the nose pliers are. There's one nose plier that doesn't have a rubber or anything on it, so I cannot use this. Maybe I can use this as a nose plier to discharge the capacitor. Okay, so the capacitor, I will touch the wires together. We usually get a spark when you discharge the capacitor, but this time there was no spark. So that's our temporary fuse connected. So now I'm going to plug it in and see if it works. Okay, the power. So here, it's on now because we put a fuse. It's almost working like a fuse, the reset button. If there's a bad door lock, this is gonna trip and the microwave will shut off. So here I'll open it. Okay, good, awesome. There's no bad door lock or door switch, because if the door switch is bad and you open the door and close it back or slam the door, it will blow the fuse. So it means there's no problem so far. Now I'm going to put a cup of tea inside to warm it up a little bit. That cabling was missing, I put new. So here, I put a minute. Fire it up. It's running. I'm just gonna run it for maybe 20 seconds. So maybe more than that. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. Oh, that's hot. I don't want to drink it now. Okay, I think the microwave is fixed. I'm gonna just put a 15 amps fuse over there. I'll unplug it to make sure it's safe. So that's it. Only the fuse was missing from noise filter. I don't know what happened, why the fuse was missing. I just got this baby from another technician to look at it, and that was a simple fix. The only thing I'm gonna do is just find a 15 amp fuse, which I think there is a fuse over there. I can see it. That's the fuse. It's 15 amps fuse. Even I use the 20 amps, it still should be fine. Okay, it's done. Hello. We have got this baby today. This baby. This. You can see it. It's Danby designer microwave. I don't know what's going on. I just got this from another technician and he told me just look at it. And I'll look at it and see what the problem is. Plug it in. No light. Nothing. Inside. And it looks like they're also missing a turntable and I don't know what you call it. It's like a I think it's the coupler.